In this video, I'll tell you the difference between Indian number system and international number system. Before we proceed ahead to know the difference between the two, we should also know that why do we have different number systems. Let us take an example. Can you tell me which language do you speak at home? Probably Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Tamil or any other language. And which language will you use with a foreigner coming from UK or US? Certainly English. Just as we need a common language for communicating with the people of the world, we need a common number system of reading numbers to communicate certain figures to the people outside India. These figures could be related to money, accounts, population, some kind of data, etc. Talking about money, can you tell me currency of US? Dollars. Have you ever heard $1 million, $1 billion? Yes, you must have heard. But have you ever heard lakh dollar, crore dollar? No, because lakh and crores are part of Indian number system and they are used with Indian currency only. So you must be aware of crore rupees, lakh rupees. But when it comes to dollars or other foreign currencies, we use millions and billions. Now let us know how numbers are differently written in these two number systems. We will begin with Indian number system. Here you can see the different periods in the Indian number system. The first period is units period, which is also known as ones period, and we have three places in this period: hundreds, tens and ones. The next period is thousands period. Unlike units period which has three places, thousands period has two places, namely thousands and 10,000s. Similarly, there are two places in the next period which is known as lakhs period, and the place names are lakh, 10 lakh. The next period is crores period and the place names in this period are crore and 10 crore. In this table, we have demarcated different periods using this vertical line. But when we write a number, we demarcate these periods by using a comma. Let us see in this number, which is a 9-digit number, we'll put commas according to the periods. Ones, tens, hundred. There is a period after hundreds because these places belong to units period. So we'll put a comma after ones, tens and hundreds. We have put a comma. Then in thousands periods there are two places again. So thousands, 10,000 and again a comma instead of this vertical line which is demarcating the two periods. Then again in the next period we have two digits on the place lakh and 10 lakh, and we'll put a comma after that. Then comes crore and 10 crore. So this number will be read as 45 crores 69 lakhs 20 thousands 387. We are not speaking the units after 387 because we do not speak periods name of the units period. So the number name of this number according to the Indian number system would be 45. Here why is it 45? Because suppose if there are only two numbers 4 and 5, what do you call this number without looking at this period name? And here if you had only 44 and 5, you call it 45. We use the same method in this 10 crore. That's why we call it 40. 45. 45 crores 69 lakhs 20,000 387. Let us write the same number in the international number system. In international system, we have three places in the ones period. Ones, tens, hundreds, which is similar to the Indian number system. And after ones period, the period name is thousands period, just exactly in Indian number system. But here in thousands period, we have 3 places, unlike 2 places in the Indian number system. One thing to be observed in international number system, that we have 3 digits in all the periods. We have 3 places in all the periods, whether it is ones period, the next is thousands period. Here also we have 3 places, and in the millions period, here also we have 3 places, and same with the billions period, 3 places are there. Now names of these places are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Till here it is exactly same as the Indian number system. The change comes from here. After 10,000, here we have 100,000s. This place is called 100,000s. And in the next period, it is millions, 10 millions, and then 100 millions. Similarly, billions, 10 billions, and the third place is called 100 billions. As here the second place has tens and third place has hundreds, same method is followed in all the other periods. Second place has tens and the third period has hundreds. So thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. If we'll put a comma, if we have to put a comma here according to the international system, how will we do? We will demarcate this using a comma after hundreds, because after 3 digits there is a period. So ones, tens, 100, comma, then 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. 10,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So after 3 digits there will be a comma. Again there will be 3 digits in the millions period. We are not putting comma after 2 digits because this is international system. We are putting a comma after every 3 digits starting from your right. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Now let us write this number in this table. For reading this number, we'll use the same method as we did in Indian number system. Just suppose that there is a number 4, you have a number 456. You don't know its period. How will you read 456? 456. A 3-digit number is read as 456. Here also it would be 456, but since it belongs to millions period, in its number name you will add millions. The number name would become 456 millions, 920,000, 387. We will not put the period name in the number name because this belongs to ones period. We will take another example. We have written same number twice. If we have to read this number in Indian system, then first we'll put commas after 3 digits, then 2, as the Indian number system has. So this number would become ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This number will be read as 6 crores, 6 and then the period name, 6 crores, 39 lakhs, 24,678. That is Indian system. And according to international system, we will put commas after every 3 numbers. Then again 3 numbers and then a comma. So this number will be read as ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. So this will be 63 millions 924,000, which is the period name of the international system. 63 millions 924,678. If you like the video, Please click on like and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel.